Hello, my people. We don't come again. This Africa Euro breeze don't bring another one come again. This one are shaky, shaky. Listen, I'll be blessed. Una good morning, una good afternoon, una good evening for wherever una day. So we get one big party for the building when one can follow me. Hard margin for this thing. Okay, bros, how you doing now?
Fine.
You are welcome. So this topic, when this matter, when make the breeze you come. So the thing is sweet, well. So we want to talk about the 21.4 million donated to Nigeria from US people. How you see the matter? Are you there aware?
Yeah, you see, say this Nigeria money politics and this ghost virus politics. It's like it's getting out of hand in a way.
Okay.
Because all those things where they do so, person know the see and with the hear them.
Yeah.
And it don't tell way they happen like that. Like that they come like say nowadays the thing can be open for person to see. Like this one where United States donate so far. $21.4 million. Now they don't donate to Nigeria so far for this coronavirus matter for humanitarian purpose and to take care for the citizens there. So I wonder why upon all those ones, James donate 5 million euro to Nigeria to not be others we don't donate
where they never even okay.
So upon all those things now, people see they complain say then they hungry. They lock down the similar assistance and moreover NEPA bill go come still join her too. They'll come see similar company.
You're talking about NEPA bill. I hear say President of Ghana he give a free NEPA. Everybody free. He helped the citizen.
Yes, that
because of this coronavirus.
That's not true. Ghana president he helped the citizens for that aspect of it. He say for this coronavirus period, make them not pay NEPA bills because he understand their situation for now that they no go fit raise those money. So that those one will still be their part of this expense when in go fit city happy citizen.
But since Nigeria does see light, he don't reach 5 months.
In fact, the light Nigeria they don't buy many now they spend more. They use generator. Many now they use fuel more because now we Sunday house. No light, it would be boring. Some people don't use their exhaust their money finish for those things. So which the government need to know say when person their house, it need to be get entertained. It need to they watch all those TV and the radio to take they know what they go on for the society so that it not go they boring like person with a cage. So this thing is getting too much. You come like say now even the boring go come they even be the sickness, not be even the ghost virus, it will be coronavirus. And person when they hungry, we not see food eat. If he die of malaria because
they will
say na corona. Person imagine say there's lockdown, they make everybody stay house. They not even they care how they feed. When somebody they feed well, he go fit survive any symptoms when they come in. Even malaria, he go survive them because he they feed well. Now people are angry because a hungry man is an angry man.
Taking you back, but this money why they see $21.4 million. That you think say how much you don't think say don't take assist Nigeria citizens from this money. More you say now 21 plus 5. Now big money.
This one if you plus that $21.4 million to 5 million euro. So you don't get equivalent to let me say
26 million
30
points.
Million. Let me just say
26.
29. More than 26.
26 million. 27 point there. But you say 26.4 million. Dollars.
Dollars now they get so far, and they don't get more than that. Not be the all those things now. Nobody know what that they use and do. Not be all those Indomie and the rice of 10 kilo of rice that they give people, and even the rice that they give people, not be even everybody even benefit from it. Some people just see the feed without the support of the government, which is very, very bad. So all those things now waiting some they need to they know till they do for masses. None of the time to really show the care and
show love to
the leader,
to your citizens,
to the citizens.
Yeah.
So show as a good leader. So I know say free some of these prisoners too, but that is not.
But you want to talk about the prisoners, but I hear from Aba youths attack police for police station from because
Abia
of
youth.
the Abia youths. I mean to say, sorry to say, when they bust this prison. What you get to talk with that?
When
they right for that kind of thing. What they do?
No, according to the law, if the law we have to look it in the angle of the law. So they are wrong in going to police station to bust it, but you cannot also blame the youth because why? They are angry.
Because
the youth are also angry
because
also.
as far as the president do announce say to the say may they free the all prisoners, abi?
Yes, they are
But
not say
there is not for them. It's not their right to your go police station, go break and go pack their people. Why they not doing since?
yes, that now be Nigeria matter. You see, say president not government not do as government, citizens not do as citizens. Now be the problem of Nigeria. So the citizens not they do like citizens, while the leaders not they do like leaders. So the whole thing they turn upside down. So that is Nigeria for you. Like this Abia youth, some of them like now this coronavirus time constant journal. You go make some the verse. You know, say somebody where they hungry, can't join the situation, can't join everything. He go they react. Some people just when they don't too hungry, they not they fear death again. Not people eat belle food, go they fear say making all that. Person we don't hungry don't want kill him. Waiting remain for him body. So he not go take him to be that expert that aspect. He not go take him to that aspect. So
thank you very much. But I surprised because for this kind this coronavirus period when we use this so this our president just see the shop Aduro they go from country to country that they donate for and the money they not they see.
Now that is one thing. This thing now make me feel the talking sometimes ago say this one every Aduro now our leader the chop they go. Because this every Aduro way in the shop so if he be saying just the pray
for used to tell the shop Aduro corona day where for day
Nigeria where they talk so me myself I see they talk I never really see that proof to that extent because why the way where they treat their citizens when country corona day is not supposed like me they treat them like that. And secondly, the way where the city they go about the whole thing it not show say they want we know we Nigeria we knows ourselves like this one when they go country to country now where they give and donate all this money for them. They use them for as support.
Just go country. Corona they my country they support them.
They will support
Corona they my country they support. Just the shop Aduro they go.
In fact, that is the fasting growing business.
Your citizen it not help. Can you
Corona
imagine?
Can't be money making machine. Money making machine for the leaders.
Yes.
So now the money the day after, not even the Corona the day after. Because yes, so then the day after the money because then you see Corona enough years exist there. So they have to go for the money. Because like this one we see they travel all over the place.
I tire with the private jets.
Go so it's the fastest way to make money. Even the China, even see donate China where they own money, where they
see assist them.
China still assist them. Imagine where they don't assist them so far like that. Imagine
maybe different country now so they assist them.
Yes, and then now make them go now make the first talk say who done that they can't say na coronavirus because why? Then now go to see more support. And then now go share with him themselves. You know, see the building, the finance
when they
put fire, when they don't
you think say that place just catch fire, be that them put fire themselves.
Now them put fire themselves.
Them
put fire to make because see one thing when they do when this money don't dey ground now, they find where to share the money. If coronavirus dey, now the coronavirus now they go dey run after, not be even the money, because the money not go make sense again. But now they know say coronavirus not dey. Now maybe they run after the money. Now they burn that building. As they burn that building now, if they want to renovate that building,
maybe 5 million, 10 million,
they will budget say
10 million.
Nah,
what you say 10 million?
Okay, maybe we say 10 million, but then go budget 5 billion.
Yes.
So now 5 billion to renovate. Why they spend even, let me say, as you said
10
before,
million, yeah.
10 million. So the rest money, they do and kill and divide, they share shopping for their pocket. So coronavirus, in the name of coronavirus, so the ghost virus.
Maybe now the leader now they go they happy because they get benefit because of this Aduro. Where the president they go here and there because yes, money they come out.
Money they come out. No, let's.
They don't want maybe even the corona stop even say.
They say coronavirus. Even the president see the trial, we not even should say concern for that one. Like this one now when Abba carry that. When people wey don't get they say na coronavirus, people wey don't get a contact with, they want to say you never ever get contact with anybody. Those people wey don't get contact with, now big man like Antu,
ask me,
leaders like Antu,
before call,
none of them don't
contact.
None of them don't fall sick since then. So since then now they say now 2 weeks to 3 weeks now they fall sick. 90 they start show. So none of them now don't show us that man come bury. No, they want to talk now. See that man not get one of those leaders we get contact with. So you can see say the thing now propaganda. So let's leave that one aside. May we just say the reality because we know.
No, waiting. Apart from that, if you say the man now, you see they go chop Aduro from country to country, so they collect money. You see they use them for his citizen now. You understand me? At least we'll still like her. I beg, maybe they keep the shopper because our family, our people, they benefit.
Because all those people leaders, as you see they talk, some of them they get as they see oil well. Most of them get oil well, and most of them see get underground warehouse where they bank money, put their money. Their money go just dey like as they load warehouse, as they load a carton for warehouse.
Like they waiting this man do Jonathan.
Wetin happen the time with Jonathan come up, they come open one warehouse where money they come out like yes. Say that they load a carton. So you can say those people now make and where they greedy. They're not there after waiting the masses they think over. The money don't hit their head. They don't enter anything way they want hear about now the money. Because why? If they get the money, they'll feel right on anybody for that country. So they're not going to make the country progress so that make people not too much will they benefit. So that is one thing. But as it be so as this situation they grant, they're supposed to have no the mistake and know how to move.
Thank you very much. So what
future.
You like to talk now upon all the money we you don't donate to our president, upon all the money. So what you like to tell to our president, our leader, I want to share the money.
No, this leader, if really, and this leader want to share this money. No, it's a good talk. Okay. Like now, if our leader really choose to share this money, like let me say, like that dollar, $21.4 million.
Not be say share, may use them to them. Yeah.
No, may we say one use them for them, or just like Europe. Why I say share, just like Europeans
use it to assist.
Outside countries as they assist people. Now, if they want really give them that money inside that 21.4 million.
That's one for USA
when they USA so far
when they donate.
Now may we talk say 15 million for inside, $15 million inside. Now let's bring out like 15 million naira from inside all those money now. If you want to share them for the whole country, like let me say the whole Nigeria population is 300 million population. 100 million divide by that amount. 15 100
software, you know, calculator.
300,000.
Yeah.
If 15 million naira should be shared among 300,000 citizens, that means that there will be like let me say if it should be like 50,000 naira. That means that each citizen for inside that 15 million should be having 50,000 naira.
God bless you. You talk and well, you know.
Let's say
like that is okay.
Let's say like
God
that.
bless you. I believe say you think say the man go share the money.
The man not go share the money.
He not give them
because like as I said before,
if it help them, maybe bag of rice share them with oil.
In fact, if like that bag of oil with if it even reach all of their hand, you understand? So now, so me see the whole thing. Even though say like as I said before, say 15 million. No, I just talking like a form of for example. If they say it should be like 100,000 naira, that means that 300 million it should be like about 300 million naira too.
I know
for 300 million people too. So divide.
Thank you very much.
Come on for the
I know
$21
million.
Not much. You know reach $5,000. Maybe just say about this now go reach. So they still have a lot to gain inside. So I don't know why they would decide to
keep up for themselves.
Keep up for themselves. They buy them like 50 naira Indomie.
They wear agbada from country to country.
They say they dey healthy. I want dey healthy for hunger. You don't see better hunger with the beat for that country.
God bless you. God bless you very much. So thank you very much. Breeze go, breeze you come again next time. So my people, thank you. Also, now don't listen to this Igbeduna. I beg. God bless you. I'm gonna share. Mona the share more. Since next time we breeze go bring another topic for now. Ciao Bella.